Hello everyone, and welcome to Fort Workshop. In this video, we're building a maritime diorama featuring a dock and warehouse structures for a 1 to 350 scale tugboat model. We're using extruded polystyrene foam as the base for the diorama. It's a great material that's easy to work with. For the walls of the buildings and hangars, we use 2 mm thick PVC plastic. It cuts easily with a hobby knife and bonds well with regular super glue. The roof is made from thin plastic about 0.6 to 0.8 millimeters thick. We paint the crates in a wood color. The hanger is airbrushed with gray acrylic paint. I'm using a Sparmax airbrush with a 0.3 millimeter nozzle. The crates are glued down with PVA glue. And the roof is attached with super glue. I paint the lower part of the hanger light gray. For the windows, I use clear plastic film and glue it in place. Next up is the asphalt effect. I use regular sandpaper for that. I glue it down using PVA glue. Make sure to coat the surface well. Press it down with something heavy and let it dry for 12 hours. For the road markings, I use Tamiya masking tape. I spent some time figuring out how to make curbstones for the road and sidewalks. Ended up using 1 millimeter thick balsa wood sheets I had on hand. I cut them into strips and painted them light gray before gluing. Then I move on to the grass areas using foam flock. First, apply glue where needed, then sprinkle the grass on top. Now comes the water effect. We're using Ammo MIG acrylic water gel. By the way, I've made a separate tutorial on how to work with this product. The link is in the description. Before applying the gel, we paint the water surface blue and let it dry for a few hours. Then, we wrap the tugboat model in plastic wrap to protect it. And apply the gel. After that, we use a mix of white paint and gel to create splash effects and water ripples. Once the gel has dried, we move on to adding miniature trees. The trees are made from dried Taloxus stems, sprinkled with fine foam flock. I also have a separate video on how to make these trees. I'll drop the link in the description. To add a realistic dusty road effect, I use Tamiya pigments. It really adds that final touch of realism to the scene. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.